square h. R is the radius, h is the height. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Base area of the cylinder is pi r square. Perimeter or circumference of the base of the cylinder is 2 pi r. What is that, Tanuj? Then come to the hollow cylinder. Area, base area of the hollow cylinder is pi capital R square minus small r square. Curved surface area, here two curved surface area will be there. One is interior and one is exterior. Internal curved surface area is 2 pi small r and external curved surface area is 2 pi capital R. Total surface area, internal curved, external curve and two base areas. So 2 pi small RH plus 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Keep all the points, what all the area, what all the surfaces are including in that one. What is that area? Like that you can get that, not by hearting it and all. Understood? For example, total surface area of the hollow cylinder, what all the parts will be including in the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. It is a hollow one, inside part will be the, outside part will be the. So internal curved surface area, our external curved surface area. Curved surface area by the formula 2 pi RH. Since it is internal, small RH, outside external, capital RH. And base will be in the shape of a circular ring. Two base areas. And what is the area of the base? That fundamental points also you should know. What is the area of the base or ring? Pi r square minus r square. Two are there, so 2 pi r square minus r square. And what is the volume of the material used? Pi capital R square minus small r square into h. For that we are using the formula area into height. Area of the base. Area of the base is pi capital R square minus small r square into height. So pi capital R square minus small r square into height is the volume of the material used to make it. Is it clear? This is not a cylinder, but if you consider this part, what is the volume of the material? Here is the plastic. What is the volume of the material used? So inside volume is not taking. If it is a solid one, it will be taken, inside one also will be taken. That is as we discussed in the first one. This is a hollow one, so only volume of the material. For that base area, base is a ring, base area into height. Now if you consider the capacity of this bottle, how much water can be filled in this bottle? For that we have to get the internal volume. Internal volume, same formula. Internal base means pi r square into height, pi small r, pi r square into h. That is the capacity of the cylinder, or how much water can be filled in that cylinder. Is it clear? So 2 points will be the volume of the material used to make that cylinder. That is one formula. Capacity of the cylinder, or how much water. That means only in the internal volume. To find out the capacity of the cylinder or how much water can be filled in that cylinder, we have to find out only the internal volume. Okay, let us start doing the work. 20A, you take it. Height of a circular cylinder is given 20 centimeter. Radius is given 7 centimeter. Find the volume. Directly point. Height is given, radius is given. What is the formula to find the volume? Not V, A into H. Pi r square H. Volume is pi r square H. And total surface area 2 pi r into H plus r. Write out height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder 20 centimeter. As I told you, volume unit is cubic unit. Cubic centimeter, cubic meter, centimeter cube, meter cube. Area unit, area means base area or curved surface area or total surface area, all will come under area. Area is in the square U. height of the cylinder, 20 centimeter. Radius of the cylinder, 7 centimeter. Volume is equal to, write the formula, pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. Pi value, if it is not mentioned what to be taken, any value you can take it. If it is mentioned, that value only should be. If it is not mentioned, any value. If it is mentioned, that value only. 22 by 7 r square, 7 square h, 20 centimeter cube. 7 can be cancelled, 1 7 can be cancelled. 22 into 140. 28, 30. 3080 centimeter. Total surface area, 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Pi r into h plus r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 bracket 20 plus 7 centimeter square. Unit also very important here. For area you have to write down the square unit, and volume you have to write down the cubic unit. Into 27, 1000. Multiply and find out the answer. Otherwise, you will forget the multiplication table. One 1128 centimeters square. Answers, underline it. Second question. The inner radius of a pipe is 2.1 centimeter. How much water can 12 meter of this pipe hold? That is this volume. This 12 meter means it is a height. Pipe handle will be keeping like this now. So if we keep the pipe in straight vertically, that is the height. This pipe. If it is vertically, if we keep it, that is the height. If we keep that one horizontally, pipe handle always will be connected in horizontally now. If we keep it in horizontally, height will be same as the length. That's why that much long they are saying. So that length we have to take it as the height. How much water can it hold? Volume, capacity. Volume of the, write down. That is only inner radius is given. They did not mention about what is the material of the volume or the material and or no need of. Inner radius of the pipe. Inner radius of the pipe. Inner radius is equal to 2.1 centimeter or meter? Centimeter. And length is given, or height also you can take. Height or length. You have to understand that one. What is that length? If it is this much long pipe means that part you have to take it as the height. That's length of the rod or pipe of the rod or the height of the rod also. How much it is? 12 meter. That also you have to check here in this questions. All the measurements should be in one unit, one set. Not some centimeter, some meter, which is the convenient one, to that you have to convert it. Here length is given 12 meter, whereas the radius is given 2.1 centimeter. So better convert the meter into centimeter. How many meters is 1 centimeter? How many centimeters is 1 meter? 100 centimeter. So 12 meter is 1200 centimeter. First you can write down 12 meter, then you can write down 1200 centimeter. Because both should be in same unit. Volume is equal to. What is the formula to find the volume? Pi r square. 22 by 7. R is 2.1 into 2.1. H is 1200. Meter, centimeter, 2. 7 goes in 2.1, 0.3 times. 6.6, 22 into 3 into 21 into 1200. 660 into 12 into 21 into 12. 12 ones 12, then 24, 25. 660 into 250. Multiply and do what? Do the multiplication, the working column. Where you are doing the work, there itself you have to do the multiplication also. Just to draw the working column, then not at the back page and draw. No, not from the back page. Do the work, do the stuff. Multiply. Without multiplying, saying the answer and writing down the answer. But as I want to summarize, I told you to do the multiplication here. Same place. Draw the working one there. Draw the working one. I did not do the working on the board. 6.6 is 22 into 0.3. 23 plus 66. So 6.6. In the 1200 quantity is there. I removed one decimal place and added 1 0. 660. 21 and 12 multiplied. 250. 1,66,000 is coming as in different multiplication tables. Each one is using different multiplication tables. 1,75,000 is coming. Those who don't know the tables, better learn it. Don't feel shy and all in front of others learning the tables in 10th standard when we are in 10th standard. You don't know, that's all. If anybody asks why are you learning now, you did not learn. I forgot, I learned, I forgot. Human beings, we will forget. I learned that time, I forgot it, now I am learning, I want to learn, that's all. No need of feeling shy and all. What others will think that in this 15 years, 16 years learning the tables, what you are supposed to learn in 5 years, 6 years, 7 years and all. No problem. You can learn it any time, any age, you can learn it if you want to know that one. Is it clear? So thinking about others, what they will think about me when they see me learning the table. Let them think whatever they want. No tax we have to pay for thinking and all, no. So let them think whatever they want. If they ask you anything, you can say, yes, I learned, I forgot it, now I want to learn, I am learning. That's all. Here I also did not do the working. 16,632 it seems. Why they said 1 lakh and they said 1 lakh and 2 points are there that we did not mention. Okay. 66 into 252 only will come. 66, 60 that I did not mention, I did not mark that point. 66 into 252. Some easy way, some numbers we can get the multiplication and all. For example, here itself 66. 66 only one set we have to do the multiplication. So if you write 252 on top, 66 down, only 1 6. 6 2s are 6 1s are 6. That way you can write. Next step will be same numbers. Only one digit you move to left hand side. Or 0. First digit 0, second digit. That is easy way you can do the multiplication. Like the numbers like 22, 33, 44, 55, 66 and all, you can do the multiplication. Okay, got the answer now? Third question. A cylinder of circumference 8 centimeter and length 21 centimeter rolls without sliding for 4.5 seconds at the rate of 9 complete rounds per second. Did you understand that one? A cylinder is rolling. The circumference is given. This full length is 2 pi r, which is equal to 8 centimeter. The circumference is given. Length is given. Now it is rolling on the surface like this. Okay. Now what is the rate here? It is rolling for 4.5 seconds. For each second, 9 rounds, 9 rolls. So each second, 9 times it will be rotating. 9 times means full from here. 1, that full 1 set, 2 sets, see like that 9 set in 1 second. Like that it is rolled. It rolled for 4.5 seconds. Now the question is here. Find the distance traveled by the cylinder in 4.5 seconds. Distance traveled by the cylinder. What will be the distance traveled by the cylinder in one rotation? Circumference. Distance traveled in one rotation will be full circumference. That is 8 centimeter. One rotation. Like that, how many rotation? 9 rotation in 1 second. So 9 into 8. How many seconds? 4.5 seconds. 72 into 4.5. 9 by 2. That will be the distance covered by that. Is it clear? Now the circumference, the area. Area means full part will be curved surface area. It is rolling over this one. So distance covered means one rotation 8 centimeter. Like that 9 rotations is made in 1 second. And like that 4.5 seconds. So one circumference it is given 8 into 9 into 9 by 2. That will be the distance covered. Now area covered. Area means when it moves it will be moving like this now. So this full part is called the area. Suppose this is in one rotation. One one complete rotation. Like this, what? Like that, this is what it will be counted as curved surface. It is moving like this now. Curved part is moving now. To make that area, curved part of the cylinder is moving. So that is the one rotation, it is same as one curved surface area. Like that, how many rotation? 9 in 1 second. How many seconds? 4.5 seconds. So what is the total area covered? One circumference into number of rotations in 1 second into number of times. How many seconds altogether? That gives the total area. Is it clear? All of you? Write down. Here some hint also is given. Distance traveled in the cylinder for one round is circumference. And area covered by the cylinder in one round is covered surface area. This hint won't be given for the exam at all if it comes for the exam. Hint is only for you when you do the work. Okay, write down. Given points you can write down. Circumference of the cylinder. Circumference of the cylinder 8 centimeter. Length of the cylinder circumference of the cylinder 8 centimeter. Length of the cylinder what is the length of the cylinder? What is the length is given? 21 centimeter. Centimeter is radius, circumference, sorry. That is previous question you have to see. Number of rounds in 1 second. Number of rounds in 1 second. Number of rounds in 1 second. Number of rounds in 1 second is 9. Time taken to time taken 4.5 seconds. Distance traveled by the cylinder traveled by the cylinder one circumference in one round. Distance traveled by the cylinder in one round or one rotational cycle. One circumference equals 8 centimeter. The distance traveled by the cylinder in 4.5 seconds. Distance traveled by the cylinder in 4.5 seconds equals 8 into 9 into 4.5. 8 in one round, 9 rounds in 1 second, total 4.5 seconds. 8 into 9 into 9 by 2. 36 into 9 centimeter, 54 and 27, 30. 324 centimeter. Covered by the cylinder. Area covered by the cylinder in one round. Area covered by the cylinder in one round. Area covered by the cylinder in one round equal to one curved surface area. Area covered by the cylinder in one round equal to one curved surface area. One curved surface area. And the formula 2 pi r x. Here 2 pi r only the circumference. R is not given separately, but circumference is given, which is same as 2 pi r. So 2 pi r place we can write down a, and height of the cylinder means L of this is equal to 8 into 21. 168 centimeters square. Therefore, area covered in 4.5 seconds. Area covered in 4.5 seconds. Area covered in 4.5 seconds. Equals, this is in one round, 9 rounds in 1 second, and that is for 4.5 seconds. One 68 into 9 into 9 by 2. 84 into 18. Someone here to do the working in the notebook. So that was the middle mark. You can use for the commutative exam, bring in the mind and getting the answer. Good only. First you can do it. That is for only the commutative exam. That is one word answers you are writing now. That time you do the mind and article. But for exam, this was class and all, no? Exam you are writing. Because of that one, if any working if you are done correctly, copying down any you may get full mark also. Understand what I said? Working you have done correctly. But by copying one letter this and that side, change it. You may get full mark or maximum half mark in the class. Working is not there, answer is wrong, you will get 0 mark also. Did you get what I said? Working is not there, your answer also wrong.
0.
You may get 0 mark also. Or you may get, because still that step is correct, only the answer is wrong, 1 mark. What are the differences? Sometimes they give 0 mark also. That proper working is not there, proper simplification is not shown there. Only when the answer part, the answer part is wrong, full sum may be wrong. So 0 mark also can be. So better do the working and get the answer. That is depend on the valuation, how they are, what is their mind at that time, what they are thinking. According to that, they will give the marks. So if you show the working, not in the left hand side. Left hand side you never do the working and all. Left hand side only margin, only for marking the question number. Always do it in the right hand. So how much is the answer? 6,804. And for these sums, if you don't use the multiplication table, you will forget the multiplication table and you cannot do the work. Yes, advise it properly. When you sit like this now, always you will think to turn that side and talk. Morning itself we got one warning, so be careful. How many cubic meters of earth must be dug out to make a well 28 meter deep and 2.8 meter in diameter? How many cubic meters of earth must be dug out? Volume. To make the well and all, we have to remove the earth now. What is how many cubic meters of earth should be removed? Earth means that mud should be removed to make the well of this size. That is the volume of that cylindrical shaped well by using the pi r square h. Also find the cost of plastering its inner surface. Smaller, what you have to find out? Interior, curve, what happened, Lohit, turning that side? Surya is not talking with you. Surya is listening here. Oh, nobody is talking, you are only getting disturbed. That also will be a disturbance for me. If you are not listening here, if you are getting disturbed there, I will get disturbed, I will tell the whole class. So whole class also will be getting disturbed. One day, how many times, or 1 hour, how many times you will tell sorry? No, I am asking you. In 1 hour, how many times you will say sorry? One day, one sorry, no. Today itself, this is the 3rd or 4th sorry in this class. So to plaster the inner surface, we have to find out the internal curved surface area. Down part, well and down part they never plaster now. Because water should come out. So they never, tank means they will plaster down. But the well and all, they never plaster the down part, only the curved surface part. Write down. Deep we have to take here as the height of the, depth of the well. Depth of the well. Telling sorry is a good manner, but every time for everything telling sorry is not a good thing. Telling sorry is a good manner, okay, accepting that mistake, but for everything, I did not mean that should not tell sorry every time. Did you understand what I am saying? You have to be very careful. You should not should not make that context, that situation to tell salt. That's all. Okay. Depth of the well. 28 meter. Diameter is given. Diameter is equal to 2.8. Radius is half of the diameter. .4 meter. Volume. Volume of the earth. Taken out. By r square h. 22 by 7. R is 1.4. H is 28. Into 1.96. 14 into 14 is 196. 1.4 into 1.4 is 1.96. Right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sums you have to do as homework. Not 6, 5 onwards. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 sums. Without decimal 1 point. And here also you have to find out the curved surface area. Curved surface area, right on. Curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH curved surface area also you have to find out here. Then only cost of plastering you can find out. Curved surface area by R 2 into 22 by 7. R is 1.4. H is 28. Cost of plastering the inner part. Square meter? Per square meter 4.5. Cost of plastering per square meter is given. Multiply that value by this answer. Curved surface area, which gives the total cost. You can complete it afterwards. Rectify sums. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tomorrow, I think physics she will take. I'll ask her. One of the periods will be there. Tomorrow I will come. Today she will tell. I will inform you. Online class also she will inform you. Cannot be there because she did not